In this video, I am going to talk about an anesthesia machine, Zeus, i.e. self-test, features, and safety. The main power supply is located behind the machine. Once the machine is on, you will see the self-test checklist, which you have to follow one by one. The first thing you should do is to make sure that the machine is connected to the power supply, and the battery LED indicator shows green. You can see the battery level percentage from the test info page. Also, the percentage of the battery will be visible on the top right corner of the screen during the case. These solid, green LED indicators confirm that the pipelines of oxygen, air, and nitrous oxide are connected, and pressure is sufficient. The pipeline pressure can be seen on the main screen. To check the oxygen cylinder, turn the cylinder valve anticlockwise. The LED indicators should be green. The cylinder pressure can be seen from the test info page. A full oxygen cylinder size E will read 137 bar. The oxygen cylinder has to be changed if the pressure goes down below than half. The scavenging system has to be switched on from the main panel on the wall, and confirm that the bobbin behind the anesthesia machine is floating between these two black lines. To remove water from the water trap, attach a syringe to the dark port and aspirate. And make sure it is well inserted back. It should be replaced every 28 days. To check the oxygen flush button, activate the oxygen flush valve and see that the reservoir bag is getting filled. Zeus machine has 2 oxygen flush buttons. To check the oxygen emergency delivery system, close the APL valve. Occlude the breathing circuit. Activate the oxygen emergency delivery system. And see that the reservoir bag is getting filled. The soda lime has to be changed if 2/3 color has changed, or if inspiratory CO2 is more than 5 mm of mercury, or used more than after 4 weeks. Make sure the breathing system is locked. Make sure the suction is working. Place Y-piece into the self-test adapter. Set APL valve to 20 millibar. And attach HME filter and CO2 sample line. Once you completed the manual checklist, confirm the self-test start button. The self-test will take around 8 minutes. After the self-test is completed, the machine automatically goes to standby mode. The green color here indicates that the machine is fully operable. If it is yellow, the machine is conditionally operable. And if it is red, don't use it. The machine should be sent to biomedical. The leak test can be performed between cases when you change the filter, circuit, or soda lime. This test takes around 4 minutes to finish. Leakage assistance can be done only when the machine is on standby mode to make sure no leakage in the breathing system. As you can see, pressure will be maintained at 25 millibars and leak flow will show by milliliter per minute. This test takes less than 1 minute. Alarm messages are color-coded: red, yellow, and blue. The color is according to importance levels. Messages with the highest importance are in red color. There are 2 flow sensors inside the breathing system, one for inspiration and one for expiration. Set 100% oxygen in one touch. Increase the fresh gas flow during auto control mode. Use the flush flow button to increase flow for 60 seconds, and use minimal fresh gas flow to go back to auto control mode. Different ventilator modes. External fresh gas outlet. Pause ventilation mode. You can pause ventilation for some time, and the yellow message indicator will activate when the pause time is expired. Save the baseline respiratory loop to compare it later when needed. The loop will be saved in blue color with time and values. To put the machine on standby mode, press the power button and then press the rotary knob to confirm. To continue the case, select Continue Case button and choose Manual or Spontaneous button, then press the rotary knob to confirm. Same setting will be started again for the last patient. Safety feature. One of the safety features of this machine is the quick release of the APL valve. Just pull up for quick pressure release, in case if ventilation has to be cancelled due to internal errors. Push the ventilator off button and rotate it towards you. A red message will show after activation. Activate the emergency oxygen delivery system and ventilate the patient manually. In case of total gas failure, no pipeline supply, and the oxygen cylinder is empty, we can still use the machine to ventilate the patient. What we have to do is just remove the reservoir bag. The machine will start to suck the ambient air and start to ventilate the patient with 21% oxygen. You will be able to adjust the flow and ventilator parameters. Now, what if the gas supply is okay, but complete power supply failure? Or in case we got an emergency patient, and the machine was not switched on? We can still ventilate the patient by activating the emergency oxygen delivery system. We will be able to ventilate the patient, just as we do with the ambu bag. And remember, this works even if the machine is switched off, or even in case of complete machine failure. To read more about the machine, just press the help button and search for more information.